Well guys, welcome back to another video on the AutoVlog YouTube channel. Kind of an unexpected video today. We all know that I'm waiting for my 2021 F150 and Ford has not been releasing any other trucks until now. The dealership where I'm picking mine up, Moon Township Ford, finally got their two first ones in last night. So I figured we'd do a quick little walk around of these two trucks right here. Now these are STX trims of the F150. Basically what that means, they're bottom of the line of the trim line setup for Fords. There's tons of trim lines for Ford F150s. We have the XL, we have the STX, and then we have the XLT, the Lariat, the King Ranch, the Platinum, the Limited, and also the Raptor. I'm just excited to be able to see a 2021 F150 finally. We're getting to the end of 2020, so if you want a truck that's like 1 year newer, you gotta buy them this month. So let's take a quick look at them here. Like I said, STX is a base trim, so you don't really have the LED daytime running lights or LED headlights. Same with fog lights, if they're even called that anymore. What I do like about the STX though is that they have a blacked out theme. There's not a bunch of chrome. We have a black grille, which actually looks really good on the silver truck. The same with the black truck. So this is a crew cab, and from what I've learned, Ford is not doing the 6.5 foot bed for crew cabs for 2021 or the new generation. If you want a 6.5 foot bed, you have to go with what's called super cab in Ford language. So that's a cab and a half. 6.5 foot bed, 5.5 foot for a crew cab, which I'm getting a crew cab as well. I don't really care that much. I'm okay with a 5.5 foot bed, and in my opinion, a crew cab with a 6.5 foot bed, it just looks too long. So we'll take a quick look at the sticker. So being an STX, again, base trim, that's when you're gonna get down in, you know, the lower 40,000 mark for an F150. They easily go up to over $70,000 nowadays. But if you want an XL or an STX, that's when you're gonna be able to be in lower 40,000 or even under $40,000. So we'll open it up here real quick. No leather interior in an STX. What I do like though is that it has dark cloth. You open the half door like that, and I mean, nothing new here really, same legroom really in a Super Cab F150. We'll walk around to the driver's side instead. Now right off the bat, when you open up the door, such a nicer interior, even for a base model. We can see the whole door panel here is redesigned. We actually have new buttons. We have the lock and unlock button right here, and it just looks nicer. Again, base model trim, so it's a little plasticky, but this is soft leather right here. Yeah, not very soft up there. Here we have the new steering wheel, which of course will look a lot nicer in the higher trim levels with more luxury touches to them. Also, we get the smaller screen in base model F150s. The higher trim levels will have a full screen, which I can't wait to see that. My truck's gonna have it, so I'm extremely excited. All F150s get the 10-speed automatic transmission now. The 6-speed select shift transmission is gone, so that's out. Now for a base model, this is what your instrument cluster is going to look like. Again, the higher trim levels are gonna have a completely digitalized instrument cluster with the tachometer and speedometer. So we got the shift on the fly here, 2 high, 4 low. We got your fan buttons right there. Completely redesigned outlay of the center stack here with the buttons. So we got USB ports here. We got a 12 volt right there, and then you have even more USB plug-in right there and a 12 volt right there. New F150s also get like a 2-tiered, how the hell do you open this? Oh, right there. There's a little button right there. So you got a 2-tiered glove department. Very nice. And actually like this matte black trim right here. Even this part right here. It just looks a lot classier. It's definitely a huge visual upgrade, even for a base model F150. So I'm very impressed. So same key, at least for a base model F150. So you got the little switchblade popping up thing there. You don't get remote start on these lower trims, although you can add it on. after the fact, but it doesn't come on the actual key fob. Now this one has the optional third seat in the middle that you can fold down like that. You got 2 cup holders. And very strange, you can't lift this up, huh? So there's no cubby department, at least on this STX. Right here, that's kind of odd. Oh well. Sunglass holders, just like in the previous generation. Just got your cabin light switches right there. No mirror in the sun visor either. Women are gonna hate that. All right, so we'll walk over to the crew cab version here. This is not really gonna be any big differences. It's mainly the room in the back. Probably the best leg room in any vehicle in the world, except for maybe, I don't know, Rolls-Royce Ghost or something like that. I like these new seats, I have to say. So for being cloth seats, they actually look really good. You got a 12 volt back here. Now we got USB and micro USB right there. Now this being a crew cab, the price goes up. It also obviously depends on optional features. We're looking at $47,795 sticker price for this crew cab STX F150. And from when I was selling cars a few years ago, I started in 2013, a fully loaded XLT crew cab would have maybe a $47,000 sticker price. This is an STX. It does not have a power sliding rear window. It does not have remote start. It does not have the big screen. It does not have heated seats. A couple of the features that you miss out on when you go further down in the trim level lineup of the Ford F150s. So same interior pretty much as the Super Cab that we were looking at earlier. This one has the console in the middle though, no third seat. So a lot more storage space here. You can also lift this up, and then we have the cubby in the mid armrest there. Definitely the option to go with, in my opinion, unless you have to have maybe a child sitting in the middle. So the F-150 comes with tons of different engine alternatives. Both these trucks have the 2.7 liter EcoBoost. We got a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder, and then we have the 2.7 like we're looking at here. We got a 3.5 liter EcoBoost, and then we got a 5 liter V8. We got a diesel version as well, a 3 liter diesel, and then we have the Power Boost. It's gonna have over 500 pound-feet of torque. See, now they're taking the trucks in here to the detailing department to do the PDI and so on. So quick little video for you guys. I don't have much more time. I'm glad I started filming it when I did, so we could take a quick look at the trucks. But yes, on a personal level, I'm extremely excited. Again, mine's gonna be a Lariat, so tons more features, a lot more stuff to go through when we do the delivery video, but at least we got a first quick sneak peek, at least on my channel, of the 2021 F150. Now, again, for like the 58th time in this video, the STX is a baseline trim, so maybe not the best looking F-150 you can buy, although not bad looking at all. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hopefully soon, we'll be taking delivery of my 2021 F-150. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.